Date: October 2022. The 12th edition of the biennial DefExpo will be organized from October 18 to 22 in Gujarat. The theme for the DefExpo 2022 is Path to Pride, which is in line with the Indian government's vision towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. However, foreign companies are invited to conduct seminars and meetings during the show, including the one in which they will be invited to invest in Indian startups and companies. The event will be held in Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar, involving live demonstrations showcasing the equipment and skills of the armed forces, defense public sector undertakings, DPSUs, private entities. It will mark the celebration of 1 year of the formation of 7 new defense companies that have been carved out of the erstwhile Ordnance Factory Board, OFB. These companies will be taking part in the DefExpo for the first time. The Indian Pavilion, a marked pavilion of the Defense Production Department, will demonstrate the development of indigenous defense products, startups, latest technologies, including AI in defense. At the pavilion, around 50 Indian startups will demonstrate their products. For the first time, states and union territories will be setting up pavilions during the event. As part of the event, Army, Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard, and the DRDO will conduct live demonstration of the land, naval, and air procedures and systems at the Sabarmati riverfront. The joint live demonstration will include combat freefall, sarang helo aerobatics, high-speed boat runs, neutralizing adversary posts, and slithering from helo into a boat. The event will also include the hosting of the second edition of the India-Africa Defense Dialogue, which will witness the participation of defense ministers of various African countries.